911? Yes, this is an emergency. I'm at a listing, it's so beautiful, it almost stopped my heart. Today, we're in beautiful Anaverde at my newest listing. This is an HGTV inspired, open floor plan, 2-story home. Let's take a look. Featuring an open kitchen with a huge island ready to host all your parties. Woo! So, are you ready to move in? For more information, to schedule your private showing, my information is right here. And remember, relationships over transactions.